What is going on, guys? So in tonight's video I want to go ahead and just do a quick one by contrasting, or I have leftover vinyl right here, the pinstriping, and I want to kind of, since I'm driving my dad's car so frequently, I wanted to kind of personalize it a little bit and add some, I guess, contrast to the rear end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of vinyl striping, white, to kind of go along with the rim saver right along here, the white beam, bursting blue, keeping the kind of like the satin chrome finish, chrome tailpipes, and the satin chrome mirror caps. We're gonna go ahead and add these white pinstriping right along here, like so. I was gonna do it right along the bottom valance right here, but I decided to maybe go all out and do a longer version and see how it looks. But follow me on this journey. It's going to be a quick time lapse. See how you guys like it afterwards. When this turns, you have to kind of be careful and kind of minimize the slack and kind of press on when you turn. And then from there, at the same time pulling it to make sure it doesn't like crease or anything like that. And it should be good to go. I'm gonna finish it off right around here. About a 5-minute mark. It's going to be a pretty big file. All right, and I think we are just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right along here like so, and then kind of bend it upwards, and we're done. Alright guys, so here it is. What do you think? Looks pretty cool. I think it matches the R in terms of the rear end. It looks pretty nice. Gives it a character. Makes it a little bit different. But you don't see many bursting blue metallic Volvos out there anyway. But we just did the rim savers in the white. And this basically finishes it off with like a kind of like a white pinstriping on the rear valance to outline this very subtle look. I'm gonna go ahead and just close off the vehicle and give you guys a look with everything folded down. And that is it. Thanks for watching.